Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and welcome to today's video. This is going to share some really cute Valentine treat ideas for the January 2019 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I have to say this is one of the most adorable kits ever. And while I'm not in the stage of my life where I need lots of little treats for my kids because they're grown up, I do love that I can take this treat kit and turn it into really cute cards. And I did need some Valentine cards, so I was excited to make some with this kit. Now this month's kit is really cute. It has enough to make 24 of these super sweet little treat holders. And what I love about this is I have taken the supplies from this kit and turned them into cute cards. And then I did make a little treat that's a little different. So I call this an open-ended pillow box. So let me show you how I put these together. Now, first of all, I have to tell you, when you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin through my online store, you can get lots of alternative ideas just like this each month delivered to you in a PDF with instructions. They are so awesome, and usually there are like 12 to 15 or more each time, so that's pretty awesome. So let me show you how I did this. The first one I'm going to do is the super cute card. It's super easy. I took one of the boxes, so here's one of those boxes, and I just cut this 2 panels out of one box to create this little background paper. So I thought that was kind of clever. And all of the dimensions for this are on my blog. I can't think of, this is kind of a goofy size, so I'm sorry I don't have that off the top of my head, but I'll post them in the comment or the description of this video, along with the link to my blog so you can see all those posts. Now, one of the things I love about this time of year is it is the perfect time to get a Paper Pumpkin subscription. And the reason is when you order a year subscription from Stampin' Up! During celebration, which is January, February, March, you can add just a little more to that year subscription and qualify for a $250 order. And at $250, it's a sweet spot. So Stampin' Up! Will give you $25 in host rewards, and then you'll get a bonus $25 in Stampin' Up! Host rewards or Stampin' Rewards. And then you'll also get 5 celebration items. So it's a really great deal to sign up for Paper Pumpkin right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just stamping the little heart image. This is from the Paper Pumpkin stamp set. And one of the things, well, actually, probably my favorite part about Paper Pumpkin, of course, there's cute projects each month, but one of my favorites is the exclusive stamp sets you get. So check this out. This is this month's stamp set. And can you kind of see that? So what I love is there's cute little words. So you're one in a chameleon. For you, my friend, to from, love you, you're so fly, be mine. Then this is a little image that actually coordinates with the print on here. So that's kind of cool. There's the little chameleon, the heart that I'm using, these birds, and then these cute little hearts. And we're going to use those birds on that card. Okay, so back to my project again, sorry. I'm going to take this and adhere it to a layer of Melon Mambo. You can see this is the pattern on the other side. So it's just like double-sided paper, which is so fun. Okay, so I've got that adhered, and then I'm just going to put this right onto my card. So I've created just a cute little background that coordinates. And then I've got this. Now, one of the pieces that comes, actually there's a whole bunch of pieces that come in the kit. Let me bring it all in here so you can see. There are some adhesive strips. These are for putting those boxes together. There's some dots, like glue dots. There's little pieces like labels. Then there's all these die cut pieces. Of course, there's all of the boxes. So you've got a bunch of boxes to use. Then there's some heart die cuts and some scalloped circle die cuts. So these are really cute. All right, so we're gonna take one of these little pieces here. So I've got my kangaroo. So stinking cute, this kangaroo. It's just the sweetest. And then I've also got a little heart that I'm gonna pop out. Okay, so I'm gonna take this kangaroo and pop it up. There actually is a big sheet of dimensionals. And actually, my kit had 2 packs of dimensionals. One was defective, and so they just left it in there because it probably was a lot easier to leave it in than take it out. And then I have a regular set of sheet of dimensionals that is not defective. The backing came off, but there was no adhesive on one side of the dimensionals, so they'd only stick on one side, so not the best. Okay, so I'm just going to place the kangaroo right there, and then I'll pop up this one right here on its tummy, and then I'm going to stamp my little sentiment on here as well, if I can just get this backing off. So we are on, by the way, day 3 of no school because of the polar vortex. I'm so over it. My kids need to go to school, and they need to go back now. Oh my gosh. Now, one of the things that comes with this kit is a little Stampin' Spot. I like to save my spots, so I'm just using my ink pad. I sometimes will put them in like little treats for gift baskets because I already have the ink pads, but it's a really great way to get a set of the spots if you don't have spots, because sometimes those little ink pads are really nice to have. I do have a set of them. We used to carry them back in the day, so sometimes we get colors that I don't have yet, which is always kind of fun. Okay, so I'm just punching this with my triple banner punch, and then I'm just going to adhere it right below my kangaroo. Now, what I love about this is you could take and combine this month's kit with some of the products that we have in our annual catalog. So we have a whole suite of products that actually coordinate with this. It's called the Animal Outing. So it's a stamp set, and you can see there's framelits in here. This is a great stamp set, and there's so much you can do. And I love this because there's a welcome little one, so you can make sweet baby cards. And look, there's that kangaroo, and it's got a sweet little koala bear in there. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? But I love that you can coordinate with this. And look at this cute little frog. It's so adorable. So these coordinate with these, which are awesome. And actually, Stampin' Up! Even provided 3 additional card ideas in the kit this month. So they had a little flyer in our kit, so I liked that too. All right, so there's that card, really easy. Now our next card or project is going to be creating this cute little box. So I took one of the boxes, and I'm just going to take my Stampin' Trimmer and slice off the top. Okay, so I'm just going to line it up right here, and I can kind of see the score, the bottom edge of the score line. So I'm just going to slice that right off, okay? And then what I have left is basically a box that's just not going to close on one side. So I'm going to fold on the score lines. I'll take from the kit the little adhesive strips, and I'll just pull one of these off. Now this is going to be a little longer because I cut some of the box off. So I'm just going to alter it slightly. And to do that, I'm just going to fold it back on itself. So that's pretty easy. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's the last day of the month already. I feel like it should be the beginning of the month still. I don't know where the time has gone. All right. So I've just got that little adhesive strip on here, and then I'm going to fold it down and close up my box. So that's really easy. And then you'll just close it as normal on those little built-in score lines to form your pillow box. So that's an open pillow box. Now I also used some of our 2x8-inch cello bags, and these are so fun for little treats, but they're cute because you can see them. So I'm just going to open one of these up, and I've got some Jolly Rancher Jelly Hearts, and we'll just pour some out and get them put in here. And what's really fun about this is the candy is so cute, and it coordinates. I mean, not perfectly. It's not like they used Stampin' Up! Colors, but almost. I see Poppy Parade. I see speckled probably powder pink, and I also see Flirty Flamingo, so you can't go wrong there. Now I also am going to take, and whenever there's two that are stuck together, you just got to eat those. So it's good. Okay, so I'm going to take and put this in here and see how it measures up. Oh, that's perfect. I just like a little bit to come out. Now this is pretty long, so I'm going to slice off some of the excess. Just as soon as I find my scissors. Here we go. So I'll cut like a couple inches off. Nothing like a little candy. I'm going to take and tie a little bow. Sorry, I had to finish off my little treat. I'm going to tie a little bow on here with this Pool Party shimmer ribbon from our annual catalog because it coordinates. Who doesn't like that? And now I can just slide that treat right in there. Okay, now to finish this up, all that I need to do is take a couple more pieces from my kit and assemble. So I'm going to take one of these scalloped hearts. I'm going to take one of these super cute chameleons. I love these. And then I'm also going to take one of the little labels. Let's see, what did I do with them? They're all stacked up over here. So, ooh, what did I do? Oh, here they are. My desk was all neat and tidy and perfect before I started my video, and now it's a complete disaster. It's amazing how quickly that happens. Okay, now I also have in the kit came these cute little hearts, like little epoxy hearts, I guess. So we're going to use one of those too. All right, so I'm going to stamp Be My Valentine on here in my Melon Mambo. So that's pretty cute. And what's nice is they give you some extras, so if you mess up, you can fix it. I love that. Okay, I'm going to just run a little adhesive down the center of this to attach it to my box, like so. And then I'm going to pop these up with a couple of dimensionals. I love that they include dimensionals in the kit. That's such a nice touch. So we'll just put 2 of these on here. And then we'll embellish with our tag or our sentiment label and our cute little heart. So I'll take my pick your tool, and I love using this to just position this right above those 2 little chameleons. It's so cute. And then of course we'll use a dimensional on here. I'm just going to put it in the center because that's kind of where the connecting point will be on here. So there you go. Isn't that adorable? So 2 cute cards. Now, if you are one of my VIP members, head on over to our VIP page and I'm going to show you how I created this adorable card as a bonus video for you. So thank you so much. If you want to know how to become a VIP, all you have to do is place an order through my online store, and the link to my store is in the description of this video. So hopefully you love these projects, and have an awesome day, guys. Happy stamping. Stay warm. Bye-bye.